Hi, it's Marjory here. You're very poorly sounding but extremely friendly, upbeat, positive and unbelievably resilient robot computer-generated voice. I like this channel, have let me do another video. I have a very useful tip for you about going into space. On an orbit of the Earth, it might get as cold as -250 degrees. Much colder than your freezer, which is pretty cold really. And then in the sunlight, it might be getting as hot as 250 degrees positive. That's really pretty hot, I think. So my tip and advice to you, if you are going into space, is please remember to take your spacesuit with you. Maybe you could write a note on your fridge to remind you. It will help you out a lot when you're in space by keeping you alive, which is pretty good really. Your spacesuit has liquid cooling and ventilation, and also supplies you with oxygen to breathe while you are in the vacuum of space. It can protect you from being injured from impacts of small bits of space dust. I know space dust may not sound very dangerous, but when even a tiny object is moving many times faster than a bullet, it can cause injury, which would not be very good really. Also, your spacesuit can help to protect you from the radiation in space. It even has a special visor to protect your eyes from the bright sunlight. So please, remember to take your spacesuit with you if you are going into space. I think that you will find it very useful really. If you are going into space or not, please know that I care about you very much. Please look after yourselves and those around you. Thank you for supporting. I like this channel. If I can think of any more useful tips and tricks for you, I will try to make another video. Okay then, I suppose it's bye for now. Well, oh yes, please don't be worrying about me. You have to remember that I am just a computer-generated voice.